How to fix a CapCut lag. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. To fix lag in CapCut while editing or exporting your video, follow the simple steps. First of all, you have to open your CapCut and then make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Select your existing project, and if you notice lag at the end of your video, it may be due to a transition to a default CapCut image. And to resolve this, tap on the image and then simply delete it. Next, you can also trim the last second of your video. Trimming the end often helps eliminate lag during exporting. If you still experience lag, especially with multiple tracks or heavy content, try closing the app completely and then go to your device settings, scroll down and go to apps. From here, you can scroll down and search for CapCut application, or you can use the search bar at the top. Type in CapCut and then scroll down and go to storage. Then click on clear cache and also click on clear data. You can also try uninstalling or offloading the CapCut application from your device. This process helps remove any bugs or glitches and downloads a fresh version of the app. After reinstalling, you can open CapCut again, and you should notice improved performance while editing and exporting your videos. Your project will remain intact throughout this process, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.